Subnational research, Brazil and Thailand. We would now like to look at how Brazil and Thailand, research based on Brazil and Thailand at provincial level, what sort of results did it reveal? So, agar Brazil mein, what they did was they took this northeastern regions of both Brazil and Thailand, and they compared the different diversities across these regions, and it was a very intensive research because they looked at geographic, economic conditions, cultures, migration patterns, religions, educational philosophies, and so they wanted to see how what were the similarities and differences in these two provinces or in regions, actually northeastern regions, and what if impact was it having on their educational systems. What they realized was that both of these regions, northeastern Thailand or northeastern Brazil, were the poorest regions of the whole country. And they realized that when any sort of analysis is done in terms of economic GDP के उसमें जब भी कोई analysis आता है या educational जो भी analysis आता है, तो उसमें it masks the poor conditions of these two regions. So these two were the poorest regions in these two countries, और जो कि आपके जब आप एक national level पे research करते हो तो वो सामने नहीं आता था. Educational levels were also much lower in these countries, and there were similar patterns of neglect and exploitation. They actually use the word of internal imperialism. It was a way जिसको इन्होंने इस तरह से एक्सप्लेन किया कि जब भी IMF की पॉलिसीज होती थी तो जो उससे फायदा होता था, जो भी ये लोन्स लेती थी कंट्रीज, तो उसका जो डेवलपमेंट फंड्स थे दे वर गियर्ड टुवर्ड्स अदर रीजन्स. However, जो भी उसकी सैंक्शंस लगती थी या जो भी उसकी वजह से रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगती थी डेवलपमेंट वर्क थोड़ा सा कर्टेल करने के लिए, वो इन रीजन्स में लगती थी. तो it was very clearly seen how these two areas or regions in northern Brazil and Thailand were being exploited. So these similar dilemmas that were identified through a comparison somehow would have been missed if an aggregate comparison at national level would have been done. You would not even have thought about them if you were doing a national comparison. So at times, intranational या subnational research is very important to see what is going on at a micro level.